Hi friends. Welcome to my YOSINGA NESINGA channel. The fishes are tiny, anywhere from 1 to 3 inches long, which allows more than 95% of them to survive the fall. Thousands of fish being dropped from a plane seems to be more interesting. You may wonder how it's possible. Let's deep dive into the video. Over 200 of Utah's remote mountain lakes are stocked every year since they are far from roads and may take longer time to reach by land. If it wasn't this method, many Utah's lakes would be fishless. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for spending your valuable time in watching the video. Like and share the video. Share your thoughts below. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye. Have a nice day.